Until recently, I've had the personal pleasure of living close to 8 years in the gorgeous suburb of Oak Park. And one thing that I came to realise pretty quickly is that this suburb is all about the lifestyle. My name's Claudio from C&M Residential, and that's why today I'm that extra little bit excited to give you a VIP tour with access to all areas of the magnificent 68 Vincent Street, Oak Park. I can't wait to show you through. Let's take a look. After building the home in 1972 with his father, the time has now come for Morris and Clara to downsize. So if you're bursting out of the seams of your current home, here you'll have plenty of room to grow. Take your pick from either 4 bedrooms and a home office, or set up as you need with a 5th bedroom. There's 2 bathrooms, including a luxurious ensuite for the master room. For mum and dad, and the kids are covered too. The kitchen's neat as a pin, which opens straight onto the meal zone. However, Morris and Clara tell me that their favourite part of the home is the stunning living and formal dining, which opens onto that front-facing balcony, taking in those spectacular valley views right across the Moonee Ponds bike trail to Strathmore. With plenty of outdoor room to entertain or potter about the garden, you can see just why Morris and Clara have much loved this home over the years. And now for the man's man, don't forget that huge garage under the home with storage and a further office space down below. Perfect if you're in the doghouse or you just enjoy tinkering about.
Hey mate, is this place for sale? I've had my eye on it for ages.
Geez, I tell you what, it doesn't take long for the secret to get out, folks, so I really recommend call the Claudio Cuomo team, come down and secure your inspection before this one disappears for good.